This is Arizona. This is where I grew up. It's beautiful here, with the sun and the sky, but a lot of people can't see it. All that they see is cactus, rocks, and half-dead plants. They don't open their eyes enough to see there's a mountain at the end of every intersection, or the random trees that are fenced in for reasons that I have yet to understand. The parks and places that you have to find, they have to be pointed out, the flowers growing between rocks, and the doctor's use plants, which you really shouldn't need to have been pointed out. I know that one day I'm going to have to leave this place, move on with my life, go somewhere new, but I know that I'll return, and the Arizona I return to will be different. I know that fields that I used to go to will have turned into housing developments, and people that I love will have moved. But I know that the stars will be in the same place in the sky, and the sunset will always take my breath away. This is the Arizona I'll return to, where I grew up, my home.